Nag-order ako sa Din Tai Fung ng crispy beef strips. Currently 5:26. So yun lang ganap ko today, guys. So I'm gonna read Happy Place by Emily Henry. It's my first time reading after a while. Last kong binasa is the Selection series.
Filipinas got inside so would you go to that extent to get away from me? God knows we tried to talk it out.
So guys, I'm back in Baguio again since wala akong klase sa Manila. And para makasama ko sila Sugar, say hi! And si Mommy nasa baba, nagluluto siya ng dinner namin na arroz caldo. And also guys, gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo yung gift ko para kila Mommy at Daddy sa room nila. Itong Emma na mattress, tsaka pillow, tsaka duvet. So guys, kinuha ko tong Emma na mattress para kila Mommy at Daddy. Kasi sumasakit-sakit na yung likod nila. So kapag matutulog na sila, sure na mahimbing yung tulog nila. And restful yung night nila. So, ayan. I-unbox na natin ito, Sugar. And guys, nakita ko rin tong Emma na mattress kila Nadine Lustres, Small Laude, and Ann Curtis. And si Mommy, naalala ko, minamention niya sa akin na gusto niya rin mag-try itong Emma. So, finally!
Ang sarap!
Oh my God! Akin na lang to. So guys, na-set up ko na siya dito sa room nila Mommy. And all I can say is sobrang lambot niya. As in, super lambot. So guys, this is the Diamond Hybrid Mattress from Emma. And sobrang lambot nga niya guys. And sobrang comfy. I can't wait na i-try siya mamayang gabi. And guys, I've read na meron siyang cooling effect. So I think very perfect to. Lalo dito sa Baguio. Hindi naman kami nag-aircon. And lalo kapag mainit yung panahon. Guys, gift ko to for Mommy and Daddy. So kapag dumating dito si Daddy, tapos magkatabi na silang matulog. Kapag kunyari nag-move si Mommy, meron siyang motion isolation. So kapag nag-move si Mommy, hindi magigising si Daddy. So, galing. Tatry ko rin yun mamaya. Also guys, meron ding ibang like versions ng Emma na mattress na more affordable like the Emma Air and yung original nila na mattress. And that is much more affordable pero the same quality pa rin as this one. Lalo na they offer free delivery nationwide. So, super perfect lalo dito pa sa Baguio dineliver yung mattress. So, free delivery lang siya. And they also offer cash on delivery and meron din silang installment options. And also guys, kapag gusto nyo i-try ito, meron siyang 100-night trial period. I think super sulit to buy from Emma. Lalo, they also have 5 to 10 years na warranty. So, that's all in na sa price na you'll pay for.
Sobrang lambot. Sasarap niya higaan, oh. Maimbing siguro yung tulog ko ngayon. Sasakit yung likod ko.
Tatabi na ako mamaya sa'yo.
Oo, tabi tayo para matry mo din, ha? Shoop, shoop, shoop. Lumulubog ako.
Memory foam yan, memory foam.
Okay, kaya pala.
By the way guys, you can use my code pala for 10% extra discount sa Emma. Just use my code. Good night guys.
Good night, guys.
Sugar, come na. Honey, come here.
Okay. Okay. Night. Gusto ko yung meron sana ganun yun.
Hi guys. We are on the way to eat our lunch.
Lunch
ng
breakfast.
5:30 p.m. Dinner lunch na. Guys, I'm back in Baguio.
Oh, you're back!
I'm back in Baguio.
Oh, English only tayo. English
Okay.
only.
I think I can handle the
Wait!
pressure.
Wait, look at my tummy there.
No, it's
Maybe
okay.
it's big. No, because I'm
It's okay.
sitting and I'm
Yeah,
driving.
that's so normal.
Oh,
You have
I
to
like the-
normalize. You have to normalize those
Oh, I like the
things.
barbecue there. There, oh. Oh, I think
I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Mommy, you're so slow.
Wait, there's a...
Oh,
Oh, Jollibee.
Oh, it's
drive.
Jollibee on wheels.
Oh,
Mommy,
Jollibee on wheels.
that's so cool. Oh no.
Sometimes I want to ride a motorcycle na.
Here in Baguio,
Yes, because it's...
I wanna try.
No? Oh my gosh, my tummy is grinding.
Grinding.
It's murmuring. Ay ko.
Yeah, you know, I'm already.
I'm so...
Mommy, you're so talo in this challenge.
No, I'm so
already.
trying to speak in English and then you won't post din. You won't post it.
Chase that high that you provide. Drive my vibe to feel alive. Tell my mind to flow like tide, but it's hard. Starlight blur across state lines. Romance.
Ha? Yes, Lobby John. Metal pala.
Ano akala mo, kotse? May pagkabubo ka.
Medyo lang. We're waiting. We're waiting for the car behind us kasi we're naka-loob tapos there's naka-double pa. Ang ganda. Guys, this is your sign to buy this camera. Imagine, it's this small. This small. Tignan nyo, guys. Ay. It's
You look so fresh.
windows down.
It's so malamig.
It's so cool.
so cold outside.
May pag nalabas ko yung kamay ko, mandidisgrasya. Ang ganda. medikit. Pwede dito. Ay, plastic. Ano? Sige, ito may vlog. Nasa kabila.
Saan?
Nasa kabilang sakyan. Wow! Sama! There's me. There's the Baguio. So cool. Ganda ng ilaw. And then, I'm on the way to Victoria Liner to buy my ticket.
Where is the
Oh no! It's
You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Oh, just let me show you everywhere I've been. Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on yesterday. Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyways.
okay, so bukas sana ako babalik ng Manila like 20 ng gabi. Pero, narealize ko, wala naman akong pasok. And, i-move ko yung biyahe ko ng 1 day late. Ganon. Kasi, wala naman akong gagawin sa Manila. Kundi, kumain ng kumain. At least dito, guys, libre yung pagkain ko. So, ito pala yung room ko dito sa Baguio. And, ito is yung walk-in closet ko. And as you guys can see, magulo pa siya. By the way, home alone ako ngayon. Wala akong kasama. Si Sugar lang kasama ko kasi si Mommy is lumabas siya kasama ng friends niya. And nagpabili na lang ako ng food namin ni Sugar. So, ayun. So, andito lang ako sa room. Siguro, ang gagawin ko ngayon is lilinisin ko yung cabinet ko. Let's go. Sobrang daming damit niyan. Pero sige, para mapakita ko sa inyo yung room ko. So, nagpa-deliver ako ng tteokbokki ko. Tapos, after ko maglinis, feeling ko sakto na dyan na din yung food ko. It's my motivation. Okay, guys. By the way, guys, I've been using this Beyond the Vines na coffee bag. Super cute niya. Tapos, itong bag ni Mommy, ako gumagamit. This is my bag na lagi kong ginagamit kapag nagte-travel kami kasi sobrang dami mong malalagay dito. Guys, I got my delivery, tteokbokki, tsaka corn dog, tapos coffee. Oh, sorry, hindi pwede sa'yo yun. Cheese. Gusto mong cheese? Mozzarella cheese? Oh, come here. Guys, pwede daw sila mozzarella cheese. Na-search ko. Yum-yum. Guys, ang sarap ng corn dog ng Chongchon. Alam nyo, parang high school pa lang ako, lagi akong kumakain sa SM ng Chongchon na coffee. Ay, ng corn dog. Tsaka yung coffee nila, I love it. Although, first time ko matry yung tteokbokki. Sorry, no more. Sige, konti. Last na ha. Last na, okay? Ay, sus, nag-i-spin pa. Ano na? Okay, last na. Sugar. Okay? Hindi umabot sa stairs? So, ayan. Hindi pa siya totally na color-coded. Pero, surprisingly, mas madami akong black and white kaysa sa pink. Noon, sobrang dami ko pink. Guys, it's done. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung closet ko. So, here I have my Hello Kitty na teddy bears, ay na, stuffed toys. And then here I have my mga Disney ears, tsaka Universal. And then yan, my Hello Kitty, mga display ko yan. And then here I have my parang medyo display din. Pero hindi ko pa alam paano siya ayusin. Pero I have my YouTube button there. Tapos, ito yung clothes ko. Color code ko siya. So, dito yung mga white, black and blue. Tapos, pink ko here. Tapos, ito mga skirt and shorts. Tapos, yan is mga dress ko. Ito is mga pants and mga sweater na siningit ko dyan kasi walang space. And then, here yung mga pantulog ko. And then, I'm supposed to fix itong part pa. Here, enjoying so much. Oy, oy, come. Oy, shuging, ging, ging. Oy, oy, oy. Ay, sus. Oh, oh, oh. Oy, 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 oy. It's so cute. So, guys, I'm done. It's time to do my homeworks now. Guys, wala na isa kong chinelas. Kasi Sugar, ginawa niya na yun.
Walk into the place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flat was on your face, and then from the
Guys, katapos ng nails ko and it's so pretty.
I can't feel farther away.
Oh, hindi ko na alam saan ako next na pupunta.
Know that I want you. Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away.
Ay.
Nakita mo yung kanta? Kitang-kita doon kung gano'ng kakabad sa akin.
Ha?
Kung gano'ng kakabad sa akin.
Ano ka ba? Masama?
Masama.
Masama ako doon? Oo, ito may include.
Para makita nila yung totoong kulay, di ba? Fit check. Doon sa kabilang. So weird. We're in Rockwell.
Been up for way too long. I don't wanna come down.
sampay niya daw.
Makulimdam na kanina.
Yung sampay niya, naiwan niya. Yes!
Minute the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side.
Hi guys. Uy, ito po. Ay. Bago. Yan, go ahead. Hindi siya maluto.
Hi guys! So let's unbox. Kauwi ko lang and mag-unbox tayo ng mga parcels na nakuha ko habang nasa Baguio ako, so naipon siya. First one guys, this is from Charles and Keith. Nag-order ako ng shoes ko kasi cute siya. Parang siyang ballerina na shoes. Super cute kasi guys, naganap ako sa mall, wala na akong size. So nag-order na lang ako online. Cutie! And then, ito na mga kung ano-ano kong order. So, got mga nail na press-ons. Actually, noon ko pa ito in-order, pero ngayon lang dumating. So, hindi dapat ako magpapanilaws if dumating ito. Pero, yan. So cute naman. Next, I have this parang cord na pang laptop ko. Kasi konti lang yung masaksak sa cord ng laptop, diba? So, bumili ako ng adapter. Tapos, pwede kang magsaksak ng mga USB. Pwede din to actually sa phone kasi Type-C naman siya. And then next, I got this dress. Ganap ako ng dress. Yung mga dress nila is yung mga cute na may coquette, gano'n. The dress ko supposedly for my event tomorrow. It's cute! Ito na lang suot ko. It's so cute. Yeah. Ito na lang. Kung kasya siya. Yun lang ang downside. Like, sobrang lilit na ang sizes nila. So, ito na lang. Okay. So, yun lang pala yung mga nabili ko. Ay, yung mga delivery sa akin. Tapos, itong pang camera ko. Pang protection nung... Bakit camera? Okay, pang protection nito kasi kapag binabag ko like kung ano-anong nangyayari sa kanya, umikot-ikot siya. So, bumili ako nito for her protection. Woo! Cool! Diba? So protected. Try ko tong Charles and Keith na shoes. Sana kasya.